Well, everyone, today I am out at my property putting together some pallet racks. This is 3 racks. It's 4 uprights. These are, I think, 12 feet tall. We have a 16-foot tall building, and these are, I think, 12-foot tall uprights. I'm probably gonna put some more shelves up here up top, but right now I've just got 2 levels. And what I'm doing is I've got some 3/4 inch plywood, and I am doing some 2x4 slats across. Then I'm laying this 3/4 inch plywood on top of the slats and screwing it down. So the bottom row of these shelves are actually going to be workbenches. So I mean, it's waist high, and that way I can use this as a big workspace. Real easy to put my tools and everything there. And then up above, I've got wire racks that come with this. I'm going to put on these upper shelves, and then I'm probably going to put one more row of shelves up across the top. That will strengthen these up, even though they don't need it. It'll strengthen them up, and then it'll let me get up higher to use more of that upper space up there. But this was just a quick video to show what I was doing with these pallet racks. I've got so much stuff piled up. I've actually been throwing a couple sawhorses down and just putting some wood across it to throw stuff on so I could get this over here. But I'm gonna put these on this side, and then the other side of the building, I'm gonna do something kind of like this also. This one is gonna have 3 sections across the bottom, so 3 lower shelves. This whole side of the building here, these are 8-foot wide crossbars, so we're gonna have 3 8-foot wide workstations down here. That's what I'm doing today. You can see here, I'm doing these crossbars here. They're 2x4s. I'm gonna do 5 right now because that's about all the wood that I have out here to do. I'm using even some old wood that I have to do it. And if I need to add some more, I can always just slide some more in there, lift it up. But I think 5 is gonna do it for each one. Make it nice and sturdy. This is already pretty sturdy, so that's just gonna make it even better. And that's it. So that is gonna be my barn shelving with workspace underneath. So that way, you know, it utilizes a lot of space really well. Earlier, before I put these up, I had some black racks, like you can see back here. They were running along the back. I got them from Home Depot. And those are good racks. I'm still gonna use those, but they don't really give you much workspace. Then I had separate workspaces, and it just really didn't utilize the space well. So this is gonna be great. It's gonna give me a bottom workspace, 4x8 workspace. I can put things along the back like toolboxes and things of that nature along the back, and still have plenty of space in the front. And then I'll have space up high. And this building is really filthy, but I even bought me one of these rolling ladders so that way I can roll around and be able to reach up high and store my stuff that I don't need to access very often up there. And then this little cubby spot that's right here, I'm actually gonna build a really nice air compressor workstation. As you can see, those are my racks out there on a pallet that I need to bring in. The wire racks that go up on this shelf. And then, like I said, I'm gonna build me a really nice air compressor station right there. I'm gonna run some separate wiring for it and have that little cubby area with a stand-up air compressor that I have around here somewhere. And then below that, I'm gonna have another toolbox with a bunch of air compressor parts and all of that. So that will be this little section of the building. Anyways, if y'all done something like this before, go ahead and put me some comments down below on what you think works well, or if you've got some cool tricks that I should do along the way. All I've got is these 3 racks right now with this 3/4 inch plywood, but I want to get, you know, as creative as possible to save as much space. I was thinking maybe putting some pegboard back here. I'm not sure. And then I was even thinking on hanging some lights, like maybe one nice light, LED light above each one of these little work areas so I can turn them on individually when I'm working on the workbench below to give me just that much extra light. I have these lights in the building now wired up here. As you can see, these are LED lights. And I was probably thinking something like this, hanging those up underneath the shelves, underneath these shelves here, and that should be more than enough light because those are really bright. But let me know if you've got some cool tricks that y'all have done with this, or if you've done something like this and have made some improvements over time. Shoot me some comments below. Let me know what works really well so I can work that in as I'm doing this. I want to, like I said, get as much utilization of space I can, but also make these very useful for workstations. All right, everyone, thank you very much. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please consider subscribing. It's that red button right below the video. Y'all take care, and I'll see y'all in the next video.